Hello and welcome to Barkland Labs. Today we're going to learn about how to use a Bunsen burner. First thing is to talk about the gas tap. Right now, this tap is off because the handle is directly perpendicular to the tap. I'm going to change it so you can see that from up above. So that is off. In order to turn it on, you need to turn it to a parallel position. You can't smell it right now, but you might smell, there's an egg smell that's an added chemical called mercaptan that natural gas companies put in there so that you can smell when natural gas is leaking, because natural gas is odorless and colorless and explosive, which is a bad combination. That's how you turn it on and off. These taps are very sensitive. You're probably only going to need to turn about that much right there for as much gas as you need. Okay, next up is the flint striker. So if I pop this off here, you'll notice that there's a little piece of flint, I can get that in focus, right at the tip of right here, and that's what actually helps cause the sparks along the inside of there. When you apply some friction, you want to use your thumb to push down, which is going to help cause sparks. If you're only going side to side, notice not a lot of good sparking, so thumb on top, and then push it down to cause some sparks. Okay, now for the actual Bunsen burner. Oops, here we go. So you notice the Bunsen burner has a little valve on here that controls the amount of oxygen. You always want to start with it closed. That's closed, that's open. It's going to help if you start with it closed, turn the gas just a little bit on, and then tilt the camera here. Oops, way more than what you need. So I'm going to turn oxygen up a bit. I'm going to turn the gas down. And that's looking pretty good right there. You want to get a nice cone. You can kind of see that shape. I'm going to turn the lights off for a second. So you can see a little cone that's forming, that kind of bright blue color. I'm gonna light the next Bunsen burner in a second just to show you what it looks like. So that's one type of Bunsen burner we have. This is another one that there's not a huge difference in the design, but there's a big difference in the quality of flame it gives you. It's a little bit harder to manipulate. A little harder to light. Yeah, this is really jammed. Okay, sorry for the wait here. Oops. There it went. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the gas down even more. Once again, the gas taps in our room are very sensitive. You really don't need them very high. And then now we've got a really nice formed cone there. So that's what you guys are going to try to shoot for, trying to get in class tomorrow, is to try to get both of the Bunsen burners to light and to control that flame nice.